The Aeroponics kit is a practical, hands-on opportunity for students to explore a range of curriculum areas, such as living world, and topics like sustainability. In this video, we're going to explore what's in the STEM T4L kit and how each of the parts work together so that you and your students can be successful in growing up to 60 different plants in just 2 square meters. You'll find more specific how-to videos about each of these items on the Air Garden YouTube channel. And you'll also find specific instructions in the Air Garden user manual, which you'll find on the STEM T4L kit page. Just follow the link below. The Aeroponics kit will arrive at your school in 4 different cases. 2 for the grow towers, 1 for the garden accessories, and the other for the electrical components. The grow towers will be partially assembled for you. Inside the base reservoir, you'll see 6 grow bays, one of which is the top of the tower, and you'll know that because there is a hose nozzle already attached. We've already attached the base of the grow tower to the lid, so you'll just attach the remaining bays. They lock together using the line and the 2 dots with a simple twist. You only need to assemble the tower after your seeds have germinated. We've pre-installed the wheels on the base of the reservoir. You can lock the wheels once you find an ideal location in the school. The lid of the reservoir can rotate even after it's fully assembled, so you can make sure all the plants get the right amount of sun and don't get stuck in the shade. The grow towers need the pump and the hose from the garden accessories case in order to circulate the water. You'll find the germination tray and the grow plugs in the garden accessories case as well. These are the very first items you'll start using when you're growing your seeds. The grow plugs are a consumable item, so if you run out, request some more by visiting t4l.link/STEM help. Germination can take about 2 weeks, and when you see the roots coming through the grow plugs, your seedlings are ready to transfer into the grow cups and into the tower. The gardening accessories case also includes the chemicals that you're going to use. For plants to thrive, they need nutrients. Use the jugs to measure and mix each nutrient separately. To make sure these nutrients are effective, you'll need to check the pH level of the water in the reservoir every few weeks. So there's a pH testing kit and a colour chart, also in the gardening accessories case. Use the syringe to measure accurate doses when changing your pH. Now, all of the chemicals in the kit are safe for students of all ages to handle. Take note of the brand of the chemicals that we've supplied. If a previous school has swapped out the chemicals for a different brand, please contact us immediately for advice on chemical safety. And if you run out, just ask us for more. The pump for the grow towers should be left running 24 hours a day, but the timer will regulate how often the pump actually runs. You'll find the timer in the electronics accessories case. We've also included 2 other technologies in the electronic accessories case to help students build their scientific investigation and inquiry skills. There are digital microscopes that will give students a unique perspective on living things. The 4 microbits can be used to collect environmental data for students to track how weather or climate conditions might affect plant growth. At the end of your loan, please clean the towers with a bit of water and a bit of soap and go through the checklists to identify items that need replacing so that the next school can also have a successful growing experience. Aeroponics is an exciting opportunity for students to explore solutions to some of the real challenges our world is facing. There are lots more support resources in the STEM T4L Learning Library and on our YouTube channel. We'd love to hear how you and your students are using this kit. So join the conversation with other teachers like you in the Facebook group or on the Yammer community. Just search STEM T4L.